Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judette and I vlog on entrepreneurship and lifestyle every Wednesday and Sunday, and in between there you might get a bonus, so stick around and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so every time I upload you can get it straight, an alert coming straight to you, so you can give me some love. Today I wanted to talk about a special program that I use for my lives. So I recently started doing YouTube lives, but I have been doing Facebook lives for like forever. Hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome to Q&A Monday, where every Monday we go live. Today, and about 7 months ago, I wanted to not just have a talking head because I felt it sometimes got a little boring, and I wanted to sort of up the ante and how I was presenting to my audience on Facebook in a special closed group called Caribbean Content Creators. And so I was searching around and I was asking all my friends what kind of system or live stream programming they were using. A lot of people told me about Zoom, and I checked into Zoom, and that was fine and that was a consideration. But it was when I saw a tutorial on Ecamm Live that I absolutely fell in love. So what Ecamm Live is this live video streaming service that allows you to communicate to your tribe and to your followers, but also when you are talking and when you are chit-chatting with them during your live stream, you can also upload slides, which is the first thing that I fell in love with Ecamm. So today I wanted to just take you around and show you a little bit of the landscape of how I'm able to create slides in Canva and then transfer those slides into Ecamm Live and then do my live tutorials. Now, the feedback on this is so lit. People find it amazing. They've asked me to refer them to a link, and I have, and I'm seeing followers doing their own thing with Ecamm Live and live streaming and their feeds, and it's looking so amazing because not only can they put in slides, they can also have a picture within a picture. So when you are on screen or you're showing a slide, there's a little picture of you talking about the slide your viewers are seeing. There's also the ability to do interviews and have side-by-side split screens, conduct interviews on Skype, and a myriad of other things. But I wanted to keep it simple today and just show you the basic, very basic, of using Ecamm Live to make your Facebook lives just go pop. Are you ready? Let's get started. When you are creating your slides, I actually think that is the hardest, most time-consuming part, because if you want your slides to look good, then you have to spend time in Canva creating the right font and sizing things properly and making sure your slides have a particular look and feel. But as I said, I love Canva. They make it super easy to do all of that relatively fast. I say relatively because I am such a design virgin. I know what I like. So I'm just glad there is this platform that allows me to create it. So this is what the Canva platform looks like. Let's think of Canva as graphic design 101 or graphic design for dummies, because it literally makes design so easy for those of us who aren't trained in Photoshop or Lightroom or any of the design platforms. So for ease of this tutorial, I've already created my designs, and this is it here. So usually, as I said, I show up for Q&A Monday on Facebook, and now I'm doing it on YouTube. And so these are the slides that will go into my YouTube live. Having done all the graphics and all the design, I'm now ready to download it. You can then press the download button and it's preparing your design, and then it will be downloaded in your folder that resides on your computer. Now, back to Ecamm. That is the piece de resistance, the reason why we are here, to learn about this amazing platform. Now that we've created all the slides, the easy part now comes, which is to upload all the slides into the Ecamm platform. It's super simple. There's no need to panic. Let me show you how we do that. So Ecamm, I know it's strange seeing me in the screen here, but Ecamm looks like this, and it's important that you see the scenes over here and how you appear on screen when you are ready to hit this button, which is to go live. So let me take you through this like super easy platform. So when you go here, which I consider to be the nerve center of the platform, you're really creating a scene. All you do is press Command, Shift, and O. It takes you, in my instance, I've already set it up, so just to make things easy. So I want to welcome to Q&A Monday as my first slide after I chat with the people who are tuning into my live. So I'm just going to put open. And so what it is that you go to every scene, Command, Shift, O, and you continuously just keep uploading. So this is another scene that was created in Canva. I upload, I go to the next scene, and you repeat that process until your entire slides that you created on Canva are uploaded. So here's what's going to happen next. So here is my third tip for creating seamless conversations during your lives using Ecamm Live. So remember I showed you the nerve center and how I showed you how you could upload your scene? Well, when you are doing your actual live, you don't want it to be a disconnect between you on camera and your slides. So what I mean by that is that you don't want to have so many slides so that somehow your viewers are not seeing you and you are not bringing your own personality and vibe to the stage. So what I like to do is I always like to do, go back into the nerve center and then create a slide, and then the other scene will be me or you on camera, and then create another slide and then another visibility scene with yourself on camera. And that's very easy to do. However, if you're doing like a whole heap of slides and you must communicate using slide after slide after slide, then there is this really neat option called picture in picture that allows one slide to come up, and then you can be either at the bottom of the screen in a square box or at the top of the screen, which still integrates you and your personality into your live presentation. So I absolutely love, as you can tell, I absolutely love Ecamm Live. I feel it has made so much of a difference in when I show up in my lives, particularly since I tend to do more tutorial type teaching in Q&A Monday. And so with that kind of teaching, I am giving educational resources and tips and insights. And it's always nice and cool and chic to have not just me on camera all the time. It really breaks up the monotony of my face. Not that I don't think I'm cute. But to get this, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom. Use that link if you are interested in purchasing it. I do get a couple of dollars because I am an affiliate partner, but using the link, of course, helps me to continue to create content. And of course, there is no extra charge to you. Now, I have just touched the surface of Ecamm Live, and I'm going to be doing more tutorials as we go along, but I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and to just tell you and introduce you to the platform. Next time when we do this type of tutorial about Ecamm, I'll be introducing you to some of the newer and latest features. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell there, I think. And so you can be notified whenever I upload videos to my platform. You get the alert and you get to comment, like, and share, because I am trying to get those numbers up. Please help me get to my first 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.